Welcome to my channel. Today's session is how to solve the higher order differential equations. Okay, in this topic, higher order differential equations of second order I will consider. Second order. What is meant by second order? The equation is in d square by dx square minus 3 into dy by dx plus 2y. Highest order is 2. Here we can consider only second order equations. For solving this type of equations, first we can write the given equation. What is given equation? D square y by dx square minus 3 into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 0 is the given equation. Next write the operator form. Operator form. What is operator form? Put d by dx is equal to d square by dx square is equal to capital D square. You can transform, it is in the form of d square minus 3 into d plus 2 into, for total y is common, it is called the operator form. How to write the operator form? D by dx is d square by dx square is capital D square. For all the equation y is common is called operator form. Next, after writing the operator form, it is in the form of f of d into y equal to 0. Next, write the auxiliary equation. For writing auxiliary equation, replace d by m, f of m equal to 0. That means m square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. M square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0 is in the form of quadratic. Therefore, is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. For all quadratic equation, you can solve this method. It is a very fantastic method, and we get the exact solutions. Okay, where comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get what we get. What is the coefficient of m? That is 1. A is equal to 1. What is the coefficient of x? B. That is b is equal to minus 3. M coefficient is b. What is constant? C. C is equal to 2. For the quadratic equation, roots are x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. For the given equation, roots are m is equal to, in the place of x we have m is equal to minus of minus 3 plus or minus root of minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a into c by 2 into 1. On simplification, 3 plus or minus root of 9 minus 8 by 2. 9 minus 8 is 1, therefore 3 plus or minus root 1 by 2. What is root 1? 3 plus 1 by 2, 3 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 4 by 2, 2 by 2. On cancellation, 2, 1. Therefore, roots m is equal to 2, 1. That is in the form of m1, m2, because two roots are unequal. You can write the comment. What is the roots? Roots are real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal. For unequal roots, complementary function equal to c1 e to the power of m1x, c2 e to the power of m2x. Therefore, where m1 is equal to e to the c1 e to the power of 2x plus c2 e to the power of x is the complementary function for the first problem. Coming to the second problem, it is also in the form of operator. Therefore, directly you can write the given equation. What is given equation? 4d square minus 4d plus 1 into y is equal to 0. It is in operator form. Okay. Next, come to the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation means 4m square minus 4m plus 1 equal to 0. Replace d by m. Of writing the auxiliary equation, it is in the quadratic form, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get what is coefficient of x square? A, that is m square coefficient is a, that is 4. X coefficient is, that is m coefficient is b minus 4. Constant is 1. For the quadratic equation, roots formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Therefore, for the given problem is in m. Therefore, for m is equal to, substitute the values minus of minus 4 plus or minus root of minus 4 whole square minus 4 into a into c by 2 into 4, that is equal to 4 plus or minus root of 16 minus 16 by 8, that is equal to 4 plus or minus 16 minus 16 is 0 by 8. 4 by 8 comma 4 by 8, simply it is 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Therefore, what are the roots? Roots m is equal to 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. It is in the form of m comma m. Two roots are equal. Roots are real and equal. Real and equal. After getting the m values, complementary function equal to, what is the complementary function for real? c1 plus c2x into e to the power of mx, where m is 1 by 2. c1 plus c2x into e to the power of 1 by 2 into x is the complementary function for two equal roots. See the problem number 3. d square y by dx square minus 4 into dy by dx plus 5y equal to 0. First write the given equation. Solution. What is given equation? D square y by dx square minus 4 into dy by dx plus 5y equal to 0. Clearly we can observe it is not in the form of operator form. For writing operator form, you can see operator form is, you can write like this: d by dx square minus 4 into d by dx plus 5 into y is equal to 0. You can see what is this value? Capital D square. What is this value? Minus 4d plus 5. For total y is common. It is writing of the operator form. Here you can see it is in the form of f of d into y is equal to 0 form. Therefore, next write the auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? Replace d by m. F of m is equal to 0. M square minus 4m plus 5 is equal to 0. It is in the form of quadratic. Is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get, what is coefficient of m square? A is equal to 1, b equal to m coefficient minus 4, c constant 5. What is the roots for the formula? Roots for the formula is roots x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. For all quadratic you can apply the same formula. Next, come to the problem. Roots m is equal to minus of minus 4 plus or minus root of minus 4 whole square minus 4 into a into c. C is 5 by 2a. B value is minus 4, a value is 5, c value is 5, a value is 1. Therefore, a into 1, 2a. Therefore, m is equal to 4 plus or minus root of 16 minus 20 by 2. 4 plus or minus root minus 4 by 2. Root minus 4 is simply plus or minus 2i. Similarly, root minus 9 is plus or minus 3i. Root minus a square is plus or minus ai. Like this you can write the inside the root we can write complex. Therefore, 4 plus or minus 2i by 2. Take 2 on common. Numerator 2 plus or minus I by 2. Therefore 2 cancel. 2 plus or minus I. It is in the form of a plus or minus ib. The roots are complex. What is the complex complementary function? CF is equal to e to the power of ax into c1 cos bx plus or minus c2 sin bx, where a is equal to 2 e to the power of 2x, c1 cos b is 1, c1 cos x plus c2 sin x is the complementary function for the third problem. This is also a solution also. Solution y is equal to complementary function, solution also itself. Next come to the fourth one. First write the given equation. What is given equation? D square minus 3d minus 2 into y is equal to 0. Next write the auxiliary equation. Y already it is in operator form. Therefore auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0. M square minus 3m minus 2 equal to 0 is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get what is a? What is a? A is m coefficient. Here a is equal to 1, b is m square, m coefficient is minus 3, c is constant, that is minus 2. Roots for the formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Therefore roots m is equal to, for the given problem, minus of minus 3 plus or minus root of minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a into c by 2 into 1, because a value is 1, c value is minus 2. 3 plus or minus root of 9 minus 9 plus 8 by 2, that is equal to 3 plus or minus root 17 by 2. You can write it as 3 by 2 plus or minus root 17 by 2. It is in the form of surd. Therefore alpha plus or minus root beta form. These roots are called surds. What is the form? What is the complementary function for surds? CF is equal to CF or solution y is equal to CF, that is equal to e to the power of alpha x c1 cos root beta x plus or minus c2 sin h root beta x. For surds, complementary function is hyperbolic. Therefore c1 cos h root beta x plus or minus c2 sin h root beta x. Alpha is 3 by 2. Therefore e to the power of 3 by 2 into x c1 cos h root 17 by 2 into x plus or minus c2 sin h root 17 by 2 into x is the complementary function for the surds. Okay. Next come to the more problems. You can refer the, I will post the part 2.0 in the same order. Okay, bye.